Hey everyone, what's up? Hope you're all having a good day. Smart Ninja 365 here, and today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome. Now, if you haven't seen my how to install Mozilla Firefox tutorial, I highly recommend that. Link in the description. Yeah, but before we start, shout out to Pumpy. He is editing these videos, so yeah. Anyways, let's begin. So first things first, you want to go to google.com/Chrome. Link in the description, and it says the browser built by Google. Download Chrome, and it has a Chrome symbol there in case you want to download that. It's an SVG, but yeah. Anyways, and it'll tell you what operating system the version of Google Chrome that it recommends is compatible with. For example, here the one that it recommends to me is Windows 10 8.18 and Windows 7 64-bit. So yeah, you gotta make sure you have the correct version. So yeah, you want to press download Chrome, and then you want to save a file, and then you want to open up the file. It's 1.3 megabytes. And it's gonna ask you for admin permission, so you're gonna need those. So then it's gonna connect to the internet, and it's gonna download. Pretty basic setup here. And yeah, it recommends getting Chrome for your phone as well. You could just scan the QR code, but in case you're wondering how Chrome for phone works, there's no installation process for Chrome on mobile, as with most other apps for phones. Right, and once Chrome is done, the installer executable will close, and it'll say, make Chrome your own, and you can sign in with your Google account if you have one. Otherwise, to get started, and it says add bookmarks to your favorite Google apps. I like to use Gmail and YouTube and not Google Maps, so I don't need that. Right, and it says pick a background. I'm probably going to install a theme later, so it doesn't really matter. But me and Ninja, we are both fans of the Cityscape theme. It says set Chrome as your default browser. I'm going to skip that. It says sign in and turn on sync to get, so you can sign in with your Google account if you want. Basically, I'm just going to do no thanks. Right, and now we're here. So as a bonus thing, I'm just going to show you guys how to install a Chrome theme. So first things first, you want to go to chrome.google.com/webstore. Link in the description if you haven't already. Check that out. Then you want to press themes. Then you can find the theme you want, or if you know the specific name of a theme that you want, then you can go download that. I'm just gonna do I don't know actually. I like the the black and blue shards themes, but there are some also other really good themes, such as the NSI Gaming Series ones, but yeah, I'll have to keep it to that for now. Right, and it'll check it to make sure it's safe, and then it'll add to Chrome, and boom, easy set the changes. And boom, you can start browsing the web with Google Chrome. I really hope you awesome people enjoy that, and remember to stay safe.